Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now I was going to play a clip for you, and then the rest of the video I was basically going to talk about how, you know, a lot of Jamaican men, especially quote unquote bad man, right, they have this extra macho image, but you know, when it comes down to woman, especially certain woman, they're really just a bunch of big babies, right? And I was going to make some jokes and, you know, take the video down a very humorous path until I got a recording, until I heard a conversation between the said in 87 in the video and his kerosene, and now I'm starting to realize this thing is taking a more sinister tone. So now I'm going to play the clip that I'm making reference to. When you hear it and see it for yourself, but then stick around. I'm going to play a recorded conversation between the two of them, and you're going to see just how serious this thing is. This is a video, or a type of video I don't think I've ever done before, right? I'm going to offer some rolling commentary. Check this out, watch the video.
Chantel, please me I beg you, Chantel, tell about me to the talk outside phone. Please me I beg you. Chantel, Mary, me love me over the youth. Please the youth.
Now at first I have to admit this was comedic classic, right? I was thinking to myself, there you go. There is the content. I'm going to make so many jokes about this. Not because the man a ball over a woman. That's nothing new. That's nothing new at all, right? Jamaican man ball over a woman every day. Even though they men a dance, I beat them chest, and I sing songs like
a boy like me, nah mad. Me nah mad over no girl.
We all know that's a myth. It's been debunked. A matter of fact, if you could measure man who mad over a woman per capita, Jamaican men would be somewhere at the top. It's one of the many myths, right, that continue to hang around Jamaican culture, such as, you know, bad man give police information. We all know that myth. Or the no sprat can't live in a bad man place, no sprat can't live in the garrison. We also know that is a myth, right? But the fake macho, I don't care about no woman can't make me ball. Yeah, we don't believe you need more people. And Ziggy is the perfect example of that. And as I say, at first this video is going to be built primarily around humor, until I heard the recorded conversation. I'm going to play it for you. But before we go into that, let me just make you listen to the video one more time.
Chantel, please me I beg you, Chantel, tell about me to the talk outside phone. Please me I beg you. Chantel, Mary, me love me over the youth. Please the youth.
How very touching. How very touching. A matter of fact, right now, enough people who watch this, they probably tears are running down them eye. Poor Ziggy, he's hurt. One back him, oh man. You heard what the man say Chantel. You heard the way the man say Chantel, you can feel it deep in your soul, you can feel it in your chest when him say Chantel. But let me tell you something right now. Never ever trust a bally gunman. Never trust a bally gunman. Let me fling you away, and then come at your funeral, come read a eulogy. I'm going to play a recording, and I'm assuming the girl record this, right? Because I'm a she. So check this out, and I'm going to interject a couple times to give my commentary. Listen up.
You don't know what you did to me, I'm hurting you, I'm really sorry, baby. But you don't know what you did to me right now, you tell me, I tell you, Amoy, come here, beg you, Amoy. Take my foolish advice, babes.
So I can never take for me foolish advice and you kick me in my face and the army in my community. But I can never take your foolish advice and allow me alone.
So right away you can hear that old Ziggy is very abusive toward Amoy, right? Now let's put things into context. Amoy is an in the streets girl. Amoy is a hardcore kerosene, and you're going to hear that later on in the video, right? But he is very abusive to her. Right. Now you might hear Ziggy constantly refer to her as the youth. This might show enough people off. Yes, he's referring to his woman as the youth. Right, enough youth from young and Moby. Me and Moby man them say this thing all the time. I understand where they come from, but man are talking to a woman and them refer to them as the youth. You also hear them call each other Barry. So it's almost like a two-bridging attack, but a man and woman. Now listen as he skillfully tries to switch it on her and use reverse psychology, where now he's saying that she hurt him. He's now the victim. Remember, you know, him mash her up, you know, him broke her up. Where you go hear what him say in the next clip. Check this out.
I just want to show you how much sorry you They drive me crazy, yo. Me there, me can't hold it, yo. I try to get a little space, me. Because if you don't call on my phone, I try to get a little space. But the more me I do it, the more they hurt me, 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 they hurt me. So tell babes, Amoy, you know me love her, and I like you don't know me love her. You know that you, but me I beg you, babes. Yes, me I beg you, you take my foolish advice, baby.
The man say hurt about 100 times. Listen, if you don't know the context of this recording, you would swear say a she mash him up, right? But anyway, listen to Ziggy take things up a further notch. Listen to Ziggy turn on the lover boy charm and the lyrics start to flow. Check this out.
Say the feelings, we never know how to them are feelings, a feeling, and love, really love, falling in
Tap
love.
tap all love, brother. Spell love. Spell bumbo clot love. You know love?
Well, say you want to see how me I feel, don't you?
How me see how you feel? Me no want to see how you feel. Me know how me feel. You don't know nothing when me go through. You never there with me when me I go through it. But you went there when me I go through it. What you know? You just do a damage and cut. You don't know nothing, brother.
Make sure you're paying special attention to how aggressive she sounds towards him. And even the lyrics them when I drop, them now work. So you can tell say she's heard it a lot of times before. Right, so she's now become immune to the lyrics. Keep listening.
Talk on my phone ask me what stop it. What you see me I do?
It hurt me, baby.
What me I hurt you? By living me I hurt you? By trying to live me I hurt you? You hurt me too. You hurt me worse.
So now Ziggy realized say the sweet talk with Madu now work, and he's starting to get back in his original self. He's starting to go back into his true self, because later on in the video you're going to realize a psych he might try use. He might try to sweet up the girl so he can catch her. People, when I tell you this video, right, this recording is more sinister than you may realize at first. Just go and check it out. Listen to the party right now.
Me need the ball to you and I tell you when me I feel pain and how me feel and how me can't turn up.
Go on, follow, man. Here, go on, follow.
I check me.
Go on, follow, man. Yes, me, I tell you what, man.
I check me. You call me, I check me.
Yes, me understand when you go through.
So who you see me a follow?
Why you can't understand me?
Understand say what?
You tell me talk over you want to see you. You want to under you want to see you. Want to see you really easy. Want to see you. We are Chantel for you. Want to see you, baby.
Me not come nowhere near.
Talk to you for really easy. Yes.
I kill you want kill me and Chantel and dash away.
Bullseye. There you go. The first video you see, you might tell Chantel say she must tell Amoy if you answer the phone. When you hear my ball and I tell Amoy say he want to see her, and I go on like my Romeo and she's Juliet, it's because him want to do our things. You got hear further on, say him actually mash up the girl physically, right? All her brain damage and everything there, right? And it look like say case get serious, and him want to see her, him want to see Chantel, and if him ever catch them, then probably I go missing. Go and listen up.
Yeah, go kill her, Chantel. You mean by kill her, Chantel?
Or you're coming like my enemy, you're coming like a mice them to me right now. To me afraid of you, brother. You make a woman afraid of you, brother. But when tell you say you make me afraid of you, you know. You mean by time, down I bush, when tell you say you make me afraid of you. Now, you make me afraid of you, you fuck.
So what you answer then? I'm not going to see you about then.
I don't know when you go see me.
I'm not going to see you for your birthday then.
I'm not going to know it for my birthday. No, when I have a birthday. My mom tell her that I'm just glad I got life to live, to see there.
What you afraid of me? You get afraid of me.
So what you expect? Me and Iron.
Get afraid of me.
So what you expect?
So she's actually aware of who she dealt with. She know what her man is about. She'll make it clear she's afraid of him. And that's probably why she made this recording. So in case nothing happened to her, you already know who is the prime suspect, right? But check this out, because again, I've warned you about the manipulative tactics of people like Ziggy, right? Listen to how him transform back into a victim.
But I never feel him how you're hitting a youth.
Oh, I can't see.
You try to hold it, youth, Mary. Me can't, me know what's also when them deep in love with someone youth and then tell us say and them left you. Me know what's also them a thing you feel you. Or me can't get over it. Me can't get over it. Me can't get over it, yes. Me can't get over it, yes.
And you love me so much. Mash up my face. Mash up my brain.
You know, come on. You know, say, yeah, come on, yes.
My face better a black spot still under my eye. In my crease and my eye, a blatter blood nah move. No care how me all a rubby raw gel. Me no know what make it nah move. I know me no get back my result or nothing yet. You see me? So me was advised not to ackle up myself, not stand up in the sun, no walk go nowhere. That was my advice from my doctor.
So this serious beat me him gear is probably what make she run away and now separate from him and I want to see him again, right? So this is why you shut up about her eye and her brain and doctor and all these things, right? So obviously him dish out a very serious case of assault. But you see these kind of acidic relationships, let me tell you something, them normally end in a funeral because the woman often go back to him. Listen to what she ask him now. Listen to the question which she ask him. And when I heard that question, it dawned upon me. This woman, Amoy, is probably going to go link up back with Ziggy. Here we should ask him.
So you look at now, you're supposed to feel a madman.
My ma got down. My face push up, me nah eat, me stressed out, everything at me. One time my ma got down, stressed out.
She still cares about him and Ziggy knows that perfectly well. And he's trying to play on it. I'm telling you, this recording should be used to and get studied up at UE in those psychology classes. Anyway, make we continue because now you're going to hear him talk about him court case.
Barry, you take me thing for joke thing in a place. You don't even know why you make me have go through in you.
So really, I'm going to make them put out warrant for you?
Yes, man, see you, yes.
You know, sign at 20s if you got court if not today or tomorrow or the after, you know.
Yes, man, see you. And you make me now go.
You can't go tell the police them that say me make you no go. Man, make all my name to the pay bail bond still.
I see you.
When you no go to court and you go put your family them at risk who bail your brother, you know that then go have to pay money for you. Or then get charged.
Before I'm going to court, you need to see you. Yeah, you need to talk.
Now you go to court. I'm follow you go to court.
You hear that? She can't help herself. Even though one side of her brain a tell her say Ziggy want to catch her to do her something. The emotional attachment which she have to the acidity, she's asking him like, so what you look like now? It's supposed to look rough because she knows that him probably not eat as good as when she did. Now she worry about him court case. Now she encourage him to go to court to the point where she ask him if him want her follow her go court. Extraordinary. But look at your screen right now. Look at the top. Robert Calvert alias Ziggy of Cottage Road in Salt Spring. Ziggy, they on top most wanted list from all the way back in about 2014. A long time them youth out the road. Right? Him go jail. Police hold on upon him. The witness a turn up. Him get Lego. But him still have other cases before the courts. That is why you hear him and her in a court argument. Anyway, we can listen to the rest of the recording.
You need to see you.
Man, we still not talking in a courthouse.
Alright, ramping thing, you take one thing, find a bar in the place. Yo, you go and fly. Go and do what you do, man. You see pretty. Go and do what you do, man. You know? If not call you, I'm big to you. If not call you, I'm big to you.
Me when I beg you night and I say, yo, my mother did it, beg you, Ziggy, top call out my name. You go kill me, pitney.
Man, a woman go to worse than that.
What kind of worse than that? Stop talk about do this and in blood clot, girl. Do this and in girl, alright. Them are idiot.
I know a lot of people can relate to this video right now. Enough people are shake them head because they've lived this. They've dealt with somebody like Ziggy. It's them do when she mentioned the fact say how him brutally beat her in front of her mother, right? You hear him do immediately deflects and him throw it. So what I'm what you not talk about when time do this on film woman? Classic. Right, this is textbook example. When I tell you this recording needs to go up at UE and them study it and teach them students. This is textbook 101. Listen to the rest.
Do and do this and do this.
If anything what you do right now, what you plan for do, if you really let me, what you plan for do.
Let me know some people plan for anybody when plan for do not. Now you plan for mash up my face. Or you I only somebody will plan. Me plan for have me enjoyment. Me buy bleaching skin come give for you look white and we look white for my birthday and enjoy myself. Who go plan for mash up face? Eh? Who go plan for go start over for how much sitting? Who ain't go plan that? Ease yourself, brother. You see it for yourself, somebody that try no matter what.
Remember, in an acidic relationship, especially between a kerosene and an 87, the woman will often give the man 3, 4, 500 chances, and no family member can tell her otherwise. And as I said, it often only ends when somebody end up doing a dove cut. I can listen to the rest.
Me still I try to work with you, brother. Me never hate. Certain things now go happen.
God bless, you know.
Yeah, it will be blessed.
Anybody who grow on me, you me catch them in I'm answer bar. Yo, bar. Yo.
So you say to catch me in the hand night. I be a code chat you give me, you know. I be a code you tell me, you know, brother. I be a code chat you tell me, you know.
Yes.
Anybody will grow on you, catch them in your hand. So what that's supposed to mean? They threaten me, don't.
You know, listen.
He saying go talk to you all the while and he say people them for talk to you. And your mother for sit down and talk to you. Because everybody that say actually you lose their brother them.
Alright, so that part of the year she mentioned about lose their brother them. Ziggy have some brother where police killed one of them, but some youth from some other 87 from Mobile did kill off the rest. Right? Him and the G City man them in a war. Matter of fact, right now, G City man them I try to kill him off. Right? But him I try to kill him off too. Right, so it's not like say he's some kind of innocent person run up and down, right? A bad man lifestyle, right? Them want to kill him, him want to kill them, but G City man them are hunt him. So just wanted to put that into context, right? So him lose all per brother due to badness. Listen to the rest.
Move to white farm. Why make you move to white farm? Why make you move to white farm, baby? You know
what kind of wide? Oh, wide.
Baby, you have case of go on party, anything what you want to do, party, you know, wait till me job a jail, you do what you want to do, I read them party.
Yeah?
You God knows.
So you see me at the mother in my house every day and can't turn up on my foot long. Because I have blood clot in my head. Where you see the pan? Me there you, me there.
No, listen, what you want me to do? I'm stop calling phone.
You not give me no time to think about my life. I need some time to reminisce on what I want to do with my life.
Oh boy. Oh, but listen, I said it at the start. It's very, very possible she's going to go back. And it's very possible we're going to read about this girl in the news, right? You hear what she just say? Her brain is battling her heart. She knows that it's a dangerous situation. She knows that the next time she might lose her life. But, you hear what she said? She needs time to think about it. Ziggy knows her well. He knows her well. Listen up.
People have fuck up my life, you know.
You have to risk your life because you love me. You say you love me. Say me no risk my life too. I all want risk your life.
People, when I tell you this is one of the most fascinating recordings, listen, I'm going to make this statement. You see, if Ziggy end up drop a jail, if Ziggy get found guilty and go prison, this woman, Amoy, will carry food go give him. Even though she probably have brain damage from the beating when she get. Even though she say in her own words she feels say he might look for her for dash away. If him drop a jail, she'll carry food go give him. And years down the line, when she end up with a Carlton will never get this kind of loyalty and patience and the amount of chances where she Ziggy get. Carlton will just be there to clean up all the mess and the damage as Ziggy do. You can hear it in her voice. She wants to forgive. She wants to give him another chance. She wants to. Listen, I don't know how this end up, right? But me say, I really hope you don't read about this young woman in the news or Chantel in the news, because due to this beating with him now, it look like Sam has some problem feet, right? And that's why she dip on the. It almost sound like she dip on the run, right? And that's why she keeps saying, "Yeah, threatening me," and she's worried. Same on that way. Anyway, people, this recording here is not the full recording. I had to cut out and edit enough part because my fight get really extreme. And you know, when I really want to play certain things, right? When the language get too, too X-rated. So people, go on politrickswatch.com and you can hear the full recording unedited, nothing no cut out, right? The full recording is about a good almost 25 minutes long, right? So you can check it out over there for yourself. As I said, one of the most extraordinary things you'll hear in a very long time, right? As me say, let's just hope say this story don't take a turn for the worse. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Bless.